Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Let's learn the while loop in Python in just 1 minute. A while loop keeps running as long as a condition is used. Here we start with count equals 1. Okay, then the loop says while count is lower than or equal to 5, as long as count is 5 or less, keep looping. Okay, so inside the loop we print the number, we print the count here. We're going to print the count and increase it by 1 using the count plus equal 1. Okay, so eventually count becomes 6, the condition fails and the loop stops. Important, make sure your condition will eventually be false, okay, or your loop runs forever, so it will become an infinite loop. Use while when you don't know how many times to loop, like waiting for the user input or a condition to change. That's while simple, powerful, and flexible. Thank you for watching.